Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for joining me once again. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. And if you see me before and haven't subscribed, what are you doing, sis? Subscribe and hit that bell, okay? Also, I will be bringing you videos every Monday at 4:30 p.m. You will get a wig review video. On Thursdays, well, some Thursdays, I post at 4:30 as well. You might get a hair review, you might get a travel vlog video. You know, you never know what you gonna get. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we're gonna be right back. So today's video was sponsored to you by Main Concept. So thank you so much for kindly sending me this unit. This is the Red Carpet Premiere HD Secret Plucked lace front wig. I got it in the style RCSP201 DAYNA. And this is what the front of the card looks like. It's an ear-to-ear pre-plucked hairline, 5-inch melted lace part. It is also skin tone adapting lace, transparent hairline, natural baby hairs, combs and straps for a secure fit. And it says it's an HD visible lace. Okay, so let's get into the specs of this unit, okay? It has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It is big hip friendly, and you guys, I have a secret for you. It was an easy slay. Yes, you know, if you've been watching my channel, you know I love me an easy slay, especially with these synthetic wigs. I do not like doing a lot of work. I don't like gluing stuff down. I mean, it's synthetic. Why do I have to do so much work? But I'm so happy that this unit was such an effortless slay, and it's so pretty. I also got it in the color SR1B/Caramel Melt, and I'm just feeling this color. Look at this. The browns have been in this season. Do not sleep the browns, child, because they have been popping this season. But the only thing I did was I used my Eben lace tint. I have it in the color medium brown. I sprayed the lace with it, and I cut the lace with my scissors, And then all I did was put it down. I adjust the straps a little bit because it is big hip friendly back there. I'm on the medium spectrum, you know, the cap is a large size. So I did adjust the straps back there, and I put the combs in just for a more secure fit. And I can tell that on camera, the lace blended in very well, but in person, I could see the knots. So I used my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette, and I went in with the dark eyeshadow, and I went along the hairline just to make it blend in. And then I used my MAC press powder. I actually mixed it this time. I used this lighter one from the Juvia's Place and my MAC press powder in medium brown. And I just went in, and it actually is perfect. It is perfect. I didn't have to blow dry it, because, you know, if you've been watching my videos, sometimes you have to blow dry, you know, or use like a hot comb or whatever. I didn't have to do anything. This wig was ready to wear, okay? And I'm just loving that. Yes. As far as shedding and tangling, I have not experienced any tangling. This is fresh out the package. This unit literally got delivered to my house today. I was already recording, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna add this to the roster. So no tangling. I haven't experienced any shedding. You know, that's a plus. And I am feeling the length of this unit. This is gorgeous. And I'm 5'7", so it comes right here. So it does range on a few different websites for $34 to $40. So I will have the Google link listed below so you can check it out on where you can purchase this unit. But yes, this is a new unit from Main Concept, and I am feeling the bone straight. And there is, you guys, there is a little bit of texture to this unit, as you guys can see. So my overall thoughts, I am feeling this unit. I love me an easy plop and go. It's straight hair, and it has a little bit of texture to it. Yes, I'm loving it, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy this super quick fun video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.